Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see how to install R. It is recommended that if you install R and RStudio, you first install R and then install RStudio, even though in general both ways should work. So to install R, just use your favorite search engine and just type R, or you can type R project. That's the URL that you're looking for, rproject.org. I'm going to click here. Okay, so this is the last version here right now as I'm recording this, 4.0.2. So I'm going to here click on download R. Next, it's going to ask me to select a mirror. That's just so that it goes faster, download goes faster. You should select a mirror that's close to you, so choose the one that's closest. But if you want R to try to detect automatically a good mirror for you, you can just click on the first one. Okay, and afterwards it should show you these three links, so select the one that corresponds to your operating system. Here I'm on Mac OS, so I'm going to click here, and then you have a bunch of versions. The reason why you have this is that if you have an old operating system, you should download an older version of R. So here, for example, if you want to download the last version of R, which currently is 4.0.2, I need to have Mac OS 10.13, which is High Sierra. Side note, if you're on a Mac, you can just find out which version you have by clicking on the Apple here and about this Mac. And here you see I have High Sierra, so it's good. But if you have, if you had an older version, for example, if you only have El Capitan, you should use this version, or if you have Mavericks, you should use this version. So here I can download the last one. I'm going to download the last one right there. Yes, I'll allow that download. Okay, and so I'm going to just wait a few seconds for this to download. Right there. Okay, so I'm going to open this. Should be a very similar in Windows, so it works with an installer like that. I will just click continue essentially and not do anything. Of course you should read the license, but I've already read it. And then I'm going to click install. Don't change the location. It might prompt you for your for the password of your computer to install it. Should be fast on most computers. And that's it. I'm just going to close this, and you can check that it. I'm going to move that to trash. And to check that it works, what you can do is look for your applications folder, or type in here the F4 button. You can just type in R, and you should see the R graphical user interface, the base one. So here I've already installed RStudio, but I'm just going to choose R. Here, it's not recommended that you use R through that, but to check that you have a working R version, you can just open that. You see that you have version 4.0.2, which is the current one. Type in anything to check that it's responding, such as, I don't know, 1 + 1. Type enter. Okay, good. All is working. So you can close this. And next step, I suggest you install RStudio. Thank you for watching.